Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate a Straight Talk SIM card. First, open your web browser and go to the Straight Talk website. Once you are on the website, click on the Activate button at the top right corner of the page. Next, select the device you want to activate. You can choose a Straight Talk phone that you purchased from Straight Talk, or you can select your own mobile phone or tablet if you are bringing your existing device. After that, choose whether you want a new phone number or if you want to keep your current number. If you want to keep your old number, enter the phone number you would like to transfer and follow the instructions on the screen. The next step is to enter your zip code. This helps confirm your service area and allows the activation process to continue. Now, enter your mobile device IMEI number or serial number. Make sure all the information is correct before moving to the next step. Once everything is entered, click Continue and follow the remaining instructions to finish activating your SIM card. The website will guide you through the final steps until the activation process is complete. After the activation is successful, your device will be ready to use with Straight Talk service. Thanks for watching.